Hello everyone and welcome to oh my god, a new Animal Crossing video. Okay, let's cut to the chase. We're not here to listen. I don't give a fuck like if I haven't been here in years, like okay, let's get down to business. Okay, so I actually did play this game a little bit and I organized a few of the flowers. And I also emptied my mailbox. It's not exploding, but oh my god, this is like the hardest part of the game. Like seriously, I'm not even joking. I don't know what this. I don't know what this. Oh. Okay, drop it. Okay, main goals today. What are our goals today? Okay, let's be productive. Our tree's looking big. Oh, I can't even see it. Oh, you can't even see it. That's kind of stupid. I want to see it. Whoa, it's so big I can't even see it. That's cool. Oh my god. Okay, so I think I have IBS. I've been taking those like digestive enzymes from TikTok actually. But like I'm pretty sure they don't even work. Like all they do is just make me shit a shit ton. And like very often, but like it's just like the feeling, but like nothing actually comes out. Like oh, we have to go get that fossil thing, so it costs more money. What the fuck does Blathers do to like the fossils to make them cost more? Like he just looks at them with his eyeballs. Oh, and I mean, oh actually, now that we're here, let's see if we, oh, there's an axe. Okay, let's get the axe. Let's see here, that's a happy axe. Let's make it sad, let's break it. Game, like I just realized, like so much of this game is just looking at a blank screen with a train, like driving. Like, oh, again! Okay, Blathers. Oh my god, he's mean. Ooh, whatever, like. This is like so annoying. Okay, go. Oh my fucking god, I did it again, you guys. I'm like, my meds are literally kicking in. I don't know what's happening. I'm gonna call my primary care. I'm gonna ask for a higher dose. Like, this is not gonna help. So, 1. What is it? Hoo, it's a T-Rex skull. That's cool. Yes, make a donation. Oh. Okay, fine, I'll keep it then. Fuck. I kind of don't like the old residents, like, being around here everywhere. Like, I don't know who this lady is. Oh, I know who Flo. This is my bitch Flo. What? Oh! Oh, she's mad at me. Oh, I don't remember this guy. Oh, that's sad. Carmen! Oh my god, I love Carmen. She's my favorite villager, I think. Besides Cole, because he's a real one and he's stuck in my village the whole time. We're looking as awesome as ever! It's so great to visit Chile. Oh, I got a photo. Well, oh yeah, now we need to go to... Well, we need to plant these flowers. What do I even have? I have, let's see. I don't know what these are. Like, what is this? Let's see. White cosmos and white lilies. Oh, I know where the lilies go. So I don't know how to organize the flowers and stuff, but for me, like, I'm just making like every section of this town. Like, for example, here we have these flowers, like, have a specific color. So no, these are like purple. Where do I even have white ones? White ones are kind of ugly. Let's see. Oh, we also have an axe. Wait, we have another axe, guys. Wait, we get to break. Okay, fuck it. I don't even care. I'm gonna chop shit down. Let's see. Yes. Okay, let's see. Ah! Oh my fucking god! Why that scared the shit out of me? Oh my god! Get out! Oh my. Oh no! Okay, apple. Yeah, these are. See, there's like the apple tree section. Break. Oh no! Did I just wait? Oh, Cole. Man, I'm busy though. Wait, but he's okay. Wait, I love you. Okay, what's up? What's up, Cole? Since you're always helping me out, I got you a little present. It's a friend. Ooh. Take it. It's all yours. Fire. Ew, why is that his catchphrase? Fire it up. What the hell? Favorite. Okay, let's see. Oh, yeah. That looks like a mango tree. No. Why am I here? Okay, let's go over here. Velma? I don't know who that is. This is the cherry tree section. Oh my god, I don't even want to deal with that right now. Like, move. Oh, okay, well, I just destroyed flowers. Okay, here. Oh yeah, we need to sell the skull. Okay. Let's see. I also want to sell the shirt that Colgate. Okay, yeah, we need to go to the. Oh my god! I swear if that deletes the weakness, I'm gonna be pissed. Okay, fuck you. Get out of here. Yes. Oh, we have 2 axes. Okay, I feel powerful now. I love chopping trees down in this game. It's like my favorite thing. It's ugly. What is it doing? Oh. Okay. I have another axe. Money. I mean, like, I'm still gonna keep taking them, but like, I really don't think they do much. I kind of just like think me, you know. Okay. But one supplement that I got from TikTok that does actually work are the digestive and ew, oh my god, okay, is a lion's mane supplement. Like, if you guys see those like people being like, you guys need to get this, like, it's the best thing ever. Like, it helps with my memory, my anxiety, my thoughts. Like, I have so much more focus and energy. It's like real. Like, it's actually like real. Like, I've been able, like, yesterday I was working. I didn't even take my meds, but I, like, you know, took the lion's mane. I always just put it in water and like sip it. But like, I took it and I just had so much energy that day. And like, honestly, like, it does low-key kind of feel like an Adderall sometimes. Like, I don't know why I felt so hyped and so ready to like do my job yesterday, but like, I was focusing, and I would have a YouTube video to like show for it, but like, I don't, because I was so focused on work. Like, I mopped the floor in its entirety. Like, no bullshit, I actually mopped it. I called the PIC to check my department. I was like, come, like, it's clean. And some random guy, I've never met him before, like, I've never seen it. Oh shit. Oh my god, I can't remember. Oh, I'm gonna pee myself, guys. Okay, wait, hold on. This is my drink. I put vitamin C powder. Vitamin C powder and like this one like weird. I can't breathe. Oh my god, ew, I'm fucking obese. Okay. Like, I put like one of the vitamin C powders, and oh, okay, I put one of the vitamin C powders and like I don't remember what it was called. But it was like this like white little pill thing. It's supposed to like really hydrate you, and I don't know why my air conditioner is exploding right now, but like whatever. Okay, but if you leave me, rest assured it would kill me like an oleander. Oh, I'm like a child in a sty. I play with fire. I burn you out. What the fuck? I don't remember the lyrics. I'm trying to learn all the lyrics from like my mother concert coming up this Friday. Because like I know the set list. It's on Spotify. I'll like leave a link in like the description. But like, I'm trying to learn the lyrics. It's so hard. And, like, this, especially this one part on this song called Oleander by Mother is so. Oh, who came in? Oh, this is so cute. Hey. Wait, I don't know. She's like low-key really fucking ugly, but like I kind of like her. What's up? What's your name? I don't even know who she is. Mathilda. This is weird. You're an alien. Okay. I burned you down. I made you cry. Put on a smile. I don't know if that's how it goes. Oh my god, I can't even remember all the lyrics, guys. Like, it's so hard. Oh my god, and they also put in like one of their like worst albums in the set list. Like they put Dance and Cry, and they didn't even put Very Good Bad Thing. They didn't even put Very Good Bad Thing. I'm very heated about this. That they put Dance and Cry, but no Very Good Bad Thing. You guys need to like listen to it. It's so good. Like, okay, you guys put like probably the best songs sort of from their newest album, which was, I forgot what it was called. Oh, Grief Chapter. Oh, already. What the hell? Drop it, bitch. Okay, like yeah, they released probably like that for the set list. They released okay. Let's plant these oranges. Yay. Okay. Who is that? Is that a koala? No. Who is that? She looks cute. Okay, she's not turning around. Why is there two peach trees here? Why do the peaches jump? Like, okay. Perfect. What was that one song? Nobody Escapes. Bro, I love Nobody Escapes. Nobody, so they put, yeah, Explode and Nobody Escapes for their set list for the 2024 tour. And it's gonna be so fucking good, because, like, those are pretty good songs. I mean, Explode would have rather preferred Enemy, but it's fine, I guess. Like, bro, that song fucking, I love that song so much. Free fall on me, will it crash or just fall silently? Will there be anybody to see the end of me? The end of me. Okay, what is, oh my god, what is this? Swap it. What do I swap it with? Let's see. What is this worth? Oh, let's swap it with Cole's t-shirt. Sorry. Oh my god, I can't, like... Sorry. Nice. It's alright, it's okay. Oh my god, ew, no, that's the song from Dance and Cry. It's not good. Well, okay, it's, like, not a bad album. Like, it has, like, 2 good songs. It has, but they didn't even put it, like... They didn't put the good ones. Like, first of all, there's 2 songs that sound exactly the same. Back to Life and Give Me Back the Night or something. And they sound the exact same, but they put the worst out of the 2. Like, okay, like, I know I said they sound the exact same, but one is objectively better than the other one, and that's, Give Me Back the Night. And they put, Bring Me Back to Life. That one's so repetitive. And so is, what's it called? Give Me Back the Night by default, since they're very similar, but it's just a little bit better. Like, I wish I could, like, show you, like, I wish I could, like, literally... like just inject both songs into you guys, and then you guys will see like what I'm talking about. Like, Back to Life is not better than I have dementia. Okay, orange, perfect. Oh, I don't have any more oranges. Okay, well, what do I plant? I don't know. Oh, I guess we have more oranges to get, but we need to plant these. We still haven't planted these little plants. I don't know where they go. I don't even think I'm planting, like, white lilies. They're kind of ugly, so... Like, I know, like, I genuinely don't... I don't know where to put these. You know what? I got an idea. Okay, guys, I think that'll be it for today. We played Animal Crossing today. We definitely played Animal Crossing today, and I think we need to catch up on Mother Mother lyrics. Hey! Oh, wait, I look kind of messy. Oh, this is so fucking gross. Okay, you guys will stare at my... Oh my god, you guys. my god, I love this game. Oh my god. Hi guys, welcome to my Toki Tori gameplay. So today we're gonna be playing this fun game on the 3DS. Okay. Let's see. Start. Oh shit. Forest Falls, Creepy Castle, or Slimy Sewer. Let's do where we left off, actually. Okay, well let's see where that gets us. Alright, I'm excited. Okay, this is loading screen's long. Okay. So, let's go here. Where are we going? Oh, here, I think. Jump, bitch! Okay, you can't jump. Okay. Oh, wait, I get it. Pretty sure you go... Holy shit, this is intense. Get those eggs, okay. Wait, is he a man or a boy? Cause like, how does he have like children? Oh no, wait, oh, bro, those look like fleshlights. Okay, oh, fuck! Holy shit, be careful. Oh my god, okay, this way? Whee! Oh wait, how do we get that one? Oh yeah, so there, yeah. Yes. Wait, how do we get out of here? Oh, we can just drop it. Fuck! That was so close, I almost died, okay. Oh god. You can do it, you can do it. Ew. Oh shit. I don't know, box? Oh shit, no. Wait. Yes. Holy fuck, we're thriving right now. Oh no, fuck, I'm stuck. Isn't there like, there's like a rewind feature, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, there you go. Okay. You can like reverse time, I don't really know why. I'm stuck, I don't know how to get that. Let's see. Fuck. Boing. Holy shit. He just died, I think. He turned into the block. Okay, like... we'll teleport or something. Bitch! Well, I'm stuck now, so like... rewind. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you. I don't know, actually. After my Mother concert, probably. Oh my god, ew. Oh my fucking. Bye.
You know, this is a safe space to be whoever it is you are, okay?